An easy way to spruce up your clothing drawers is to use liner, but not just any liner. This is fabric top liner. I am obsessed with it. It is a little thicker than your regular liner, and that's because it creates a nice soft pillowy cushion for your clothes. The reason why this is so important is that your clothes won't stick if you have like an older drawer, or even if your drawers are wood, or even like wire drawers, so pieces don't fall through the cracks. So I'm going to show you how to transform your drawers into just meh to beautiful using these EasyLiner fabric top liners. Step 1, remove all clothing from the drawer. Step 2, cut EasyLiner to drawer size. Now the back is grippy, so it won't slide around in your drawer. The final step is putting away all your clothes. In my drawers, I really like keeping everything file folded. I think it makes it really easy to find exactly what you need. So for this particular drawer, I have all of my tank tops and t-shirts, sweatshirts, and sweaters. And they're all file folded inside this drawer. And with the liner, now nothing is really gonna like shift or move, which helps keep the file folding standing up. Because when it starts to get like slippy and like slide, that's when the file folding of the clothes loses its shape. So this is key for file folding in your drawers. Once you finish lining one of your drawers, you can go and line the rest of your drawers. Everything will be so nice and tidy. Love these tips? Don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. There are new videos every Wednesday.